Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhome's Devon branch on a grey January 26th day, and we're out here on our well-stocked forecourt doing some videos of our new and used motorhomes, van conversions and camper vans. And this one is a little doozy. It's a 22 plate Burstner T Eliseo C540. So as bits of stock go, this is about as nice as you get. She's a medium wheelbase, premium build German fixed bed van conversions. The medium wheelbase is 5.4 meters. To put that into context, your short wheelbase Volkswagen Campervan over there, that's 4.8 meters. Long wheelbase VW Campervan, 5.2 meters. Most of your Fiat Ducato Ford Transit size vans, 6 meters. So this one will fit just about snugly in a parking space, so it's your next easy step up from a camper van, or step down from a bigger coach built, something you wanted to use every day. So she's 53,995 on a 22 plate, and it's got the 9-speed automatic gearbox. It's the first of the new X8 generation Ducato, which was new for 2022, and a very rare example, as obviously this was built during the COVID time where very few Fiat Ducatos actually got built, so that hamstrung everybody, so quite a rare thing. It's a Burstner T Eliseo C540 22 on a 22 plate, transverse fixed bed with a 9-speed ZF automatic gearbox. It's 4 seat belts, 2 berth. I don't know if it's got the bed conversion kit to make the lounge into a bed actually, so it could be 3 berth. So you got the new 2.2 engine, which was shared with Peugeot and Citroën. Fiat moved over to that in 2022 from the old 2.3. It's Euro 6, slow emission zone compliant, and it got AdBlue. It's one owner from new. It's 8,300 miles. It's been a Devon van all of its life, bought new from Chelston, part exchange with us. So for only 5.4 meters long, body width is 2.05. Height 2.75, 2.7-ish. Price is 53,995, which is very competitive for a van of its quality and calibre. So it's in white, but it looks good because it's got the black style pack on the front, the colour coded bumper. We got the silver sort of chin spoiler thing down there, and the 16-inch black alloys, and the white mirror guards as well. So it's a good looking van. It's also got the panoramic front skylight. I'm not sure if that was standard or optional in this model, but this one has it, which is very, very good. Just floods the area with light. So we've got the LED daytime running lights, which was something else we saw disappear during COVID and then come back again, but this one's got it, which is good. Electrically adjustable, electrically heated manual fold door mirrors, flush fit, lightly tinted double glazed windows. Burstner, of course, are part of the Highbridge group. They're a very large German manufacturer, so these are designed for the continental markets where people take them skiing. So your water tank, your pipes are all inside, and you've got fully double glazed and insulated to a high standard all the way around. Mains hookup here, so we've got mains hookup, leisure battery and a solar panel on the roof. Heating and hot water is taken care of by the Truma combi boiler. Runs on gas if you're not hooked up, electric if you do. That's by far and away the most common heating system on the market. Toilet cassette there for your cassette toilet, and underneath there you've got your turn key location where you dump your wastewater. So these Burstners, they have like a radiator bleed key, goes on the end of a little screw bit there. Turn it, dumps the water straight from the tank. It gets rid of the pipe between the tank and the tap, so there's nothing to freeze up basically. Bathroom window and then bedroom window at the back. Coming around the back, we've got a high level Fiat factory fitted reversing camera. Doesn't have a bike rack or a tow bar. They weren't cyclists, the previous owners. Either could be fitted. Opening bedroom windows in the back doors as well, which is good. We've got the Remis blinds, which are nice and quiet. I do like many opening windows as possible. Yes, it is a 3-stroke 4 berth, so you've got this infill which drops in to turn it into an adult size single bed at the front. You probably fit a couple of smaller kids in it. So split mattress at the back, which is immaculate. I think it was actually still covered in plastic, and I don't know why, because it has been used, this van. But yeah, so can't quite explain that, but it means the mattress is like new. Maybe they put their own mattress in, I don't know. So we've got a 12-volt socket at the back there, which is a German type one. You can get an adapter to adapt that to a UK one, and that would allow you to charge things in your garage area, or run a cable up to charge your phones at the back there. So that's your infill boards. You leave them at home if you're not using the front bed. Gas locker is at the back here with room for 2 European 11 kilo gas bottles. We don't do 11s in this country unless you have gas low refillable. We do 6s and 13s. You may fit a 13 alongside a 6 in there. If not, it'll be 2 6s as you go for the refillable gas bottle, of course. Plenty of tie down points in the garage area, both high and low, which is good. And you've got a board that drops in there to segregate that. Really nice matte two-tone cabinet work with a smart bit of kit. That's your awning winder handle up there. So unless you're a cyclist, there's not really anything to add to this vehicle. It's had all the right bits fitted from new. So you've got the Thule Omnistore awning, which is the 3.2 metre one. Freshwater fill-up point there, so your tank is boxed in underneath the bed. Condition is first class. It's not been smoked in. If it's had a dog in, I can't see or smell any evidence of it. I've not noticed any sort of dinks or damage at all on the bodywork. I'm not saying it doesn't, but if there is so small, I haven't spotted them. LED awning light, door window, nice wide entrance step as well, which is good. So it's the 140 multi-jet with the 9-speed fully automatic, silky smooth, super quick ZF automatic gearbox. You got full Remis blinds on the cab area, lecky windows, lecky mirrors. Electronic handbrake was a bit of a surprise to see, because again that was something that only just sort of appeared as an option in 22 and you didn't really see it in very much there. We've got the leatherette bound multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control built into it. Front and rear fog lights. No, rear fog lights. That 9-speed auto box. The head unit is the Fiat 7-inch factory fitted, lets you connect by the look of it, and that it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Autoplay. We got manual cab air conditioning, and then your hill descent and your central locking controls. Also see the little ultrasonic sensors there, and the Vodafone alarm sticker, so it's got a Fashion Category 1 alarm fitted to it as well. So when they updated the Ducato, so the Ducato basically stayed the same from 15 through to 2021. For 2022 they brought out this new generation one. It looked the same from the outside, but it got the new engine and it got a whole new dashboard as well, new air vents, new airflow, new switch gear, new options available. So while it looked the same, it was a much more modern beast. It also gained silky smooth electronic power steering, so it was a worthwhile upgrade over the 2021s, in my opinion anyway. It just feels, and from the inside looks, more modern. Also got the new 7-inch Apple CarPlay, Android Autoplay head unit option, which was much better than the old, well out-of-date TomTom one that they had before. So opening up the side door, we come into what is a very typical European layout. So we've got fly screen door, which is good. Now Burstner, their thing has always been light, so they're very, very light, very modern yet quite comfortable inside. So we've got leatherette and half textile seating, armrests on both your swivel cab seats. Opening up into the back of the kitchen, you've got your fridge on the end, which is one of these ones where you can open it from all sides. If you're outside, you want to get a beer or whatever, you can just open it up. This was for an extra bit of clip-on worktop, I believe. So coming inside, it's now starting to rain. So we've got a half dinette with 2 seat belts. So you've got 2 tucks behind there, 2 seat belts. So that bed infill, you can see the table, which is currently back there, will drop down to here, and then the bed infill will fill in this space here somehow. Don't ask me how it does it, but it does it. So yeah, you get a couple of little kids, but one larger one in. There's a main socket there under your table, nice big windows, and you've got that panoramic opening skylight. Now I was told by Adria, who's worked at the Adria stand, that their opening skylight, which was new for 2025, was the first panoramic opening skylight on a van conversion, and then I saw this, so this one obviously beat it by 3 years. Nice big opening skylight above as well. High gloss cabinets. This is your TV bracket adapter, so you've got that slide out TV bracket. You can watch it just about from the bedroom or from the front. Solar panel charge controller, it's in there. We've got main socket and another German 12-volt socket up there. Also have these really cool little lights and some USB chargers up there as well, USB socket, so that's good. A little bit of hidden storage underneath of there. So we've got the central cup holders, which wasn't standard. Glove box was standard. Hill descent control, traction plus control, and your heated wing mirrors across there. It's a really nice van. So up above the door, we've got the very simple shaped control panel, which is just it's just a pleasure. So you just master on off switch, mains hook up, light to tell you when you're hooked up, and then you've just got gauges for your leisure battery, for your freshwater tank, for your wastewater tank. What more do you need? So that's absolutely mustard for me. Heater controls here, it's just check the heating. So yeah, it is gas or electric, heating and hot water. A lot of German stuff, they're gas only, but this one is dual fuel, which is good. Nice lighting throughout the van. I don't know how you turn these little things on, I'm not sure. So ceiling lights all the way through as well. Kitchen wise, never a priority on any European van, particularly on a 5.4 metre van with a fixed bed. So you're never going to get a hugely capacious kitchen, but you've got a 2-burner gas hob and some drawer space for provisions, and you can always carry extra air fryers or whatever. But yeah, they're not designed around cooking too much in the van. Socket situation is good. Oh, there we go, found the other light switch. Wow, that's so much better. Right, so we've got mains socket there, main socket there, and another 12-volt socket. Light switch is absolutely everywhere. More lights up there. So we sell a few 5.4 metre new, and I had some customers looking at one of our new Globe cars, and what they commented on, and they're right, is that this seat is quite comfortable and it's got more space here than most, because they've just pushed this back a little bit further than say the Globe cars that we sell. It means you've got a slightly smaller bathroom, but it works, to be fair. I mean, what more do you need? For me, that's absolutely fine. So we've got an opening window, which is good because your shower will pull out of there and come out the window. We've also got a light switch that you can hit without meaning to as you're walking past. High level storage cupboards. God, how solid that is. Air vent for ventilation as well as the window, and a drip drying rail up there. And then your Thetford schwanky cassette toilet underneath. Wardrobe space. Ooh, pull out wardrobe, I like that. I wasn't expecting that. I've not noticed that so far. That's cool. Extra little bit of worktop on top. And then the bedroom, which we saw from the outside. So you got some more of these schwanky contraptions, which I don't know how to turn on. Some more sockets. Wow. So we've got 2 USBs, another mains one. Very generous with the sockets. Maybe some of these have been added. And then this bed can fold up, and then it just pushes behind that clip there that holds the bed up basically, and that gives you full height walk-through access and full height storage. You also got a good size opening vent back there. You got a load of cupboard space for your clothes, and a shelf back there for clothes and other bits as well. So it's amazing what it fits in. 5.4 meters is the the length of a Ford Ranger pickup truck, or of a Range Rover car, or a full-size SUV, and yet this fits in a lounge. You're probably going to find you sitting there looking back towards the van, using that as your footrest. You've got 3 berths, 4 seat belts, a fixed bed, a toilet and shower, good size fixed bed as well, comfy, and a kitchen with a 12-volt fridge freezer, fly screen door, solar panel awning, all in 5.4 meters. But a load of interest in this van. I'm surprised it's not sold yet. So if you are interested, please do get in touch before you travel down to look at it. But it is the 2022 Burstner Eliseo C540 fixed bed automatic at 53995 at Highbridge Motorhomes Devon branch. Do get in touch. You can call us on the landline 01626 832 792. You can text or WhatsApp the mobile 07432 662 558. Come and see us. We're just off the A38 South Devon Expressway between Exeter and Plymouth. Couldn't get an easier dealership to get to. We also have a branch in Somerset. If you live nearer to there, you buy the van here, we'll send it to Somerset and they'll prep it and hand it over up there. The van will come with a major engine service, a full habitation service, a new MOT. Any snaggy bits we find will be dealt with. Full our own 12-month in-house warranty, which covers all the factory-fitted features, both from Burstner and Fiat, bar minutiae, wear and tear, and the normal exclusions, basically. So yeah, Highbridge Motorhomes, Devon, Burstner Eliseo 2022 53995. Thank you very much. Goodbye.